Hi friends, today I am going to discuss Unit 10 of Union Budget. Unit 10 Union Budget, and it's from ABM Module A. We all know that the annual budget of a country is called Union Budget, and our real budget is merged with the Union Budget from the year 2017 and consists of this receipts, expenditure, and deficit concepts. So, first, receipt. Revenue receipt is the interest and dividend on investments made by government. Union budget will be presented on February 1st. And the first one, revenue receipt, consists of tax revenue and non-tax revenue. Revenue receipt is interest and dividend on investments made by government. Tax revenue. Tax revenue consists of gross tax revenue. Gross tax revenue equal to direct tax plus indirect tax. Direct taxes are corporation tax, income tax, and other taxes and duties comes under direct tax. So that is corporation income and other tax and duties. Customs, union excise, service tax, tax of union territories. This comes in direct tax. These taxes are not taken from individuals directly, so they are called indirect tax. Whereas income tax we are paying directly, for example, is a direct tax. So indirect tax is customs plus union plus excise duty plus service tax plus taxes of UT. Net tax revenue is gross tax revenue minus state share minus NCCD. That is gross tax revenue minus, that is NCCD transferred to National Calamity Contingency Fund minus state share. If we deduct these state share and this NCCD fund from gross tax revenue, we get net tax revenue. Next is total non-tax revenue. Non-tax revenue consists of interest receipts on loans, dividends and profits from public sector undertakings that government gets from PSUs, loan interest, etc. External grants, that is other governments giving our government grants. This all comes on non-tax revenue. Other non-tax revenue receipts of union territories. Total revenue received equal to net tax revenue plus total non-tax revenue. Net tax revenue equal to gross tax revenue minus NCCD minus state share. Total revenue received is net tax revenue plus total non-tax revenue. Capital receipt is non-debt receipt plus debt receipt. Revenue deficit is revenue expense minus revenue receipt. Friends, please take a note on these equations. There will be direct application of these equations. NCCF means National Calamity Contingency Fund. Next is capital receipt. It is equal to debt plus non-debt receipts. Non-debt receipts consist of recoveries of loans and advance, miscellaneous capital receipts. Debt receipts equal to market loans, short-term borrowings, STB, external assistance, securities issued against small savings. Market loans means borrowings, state provident funds and other receipts. So these two constitute capital receipt. Next we can move to expenditure. So we dealt with the revenue receipts. So whatever government got from these revenue receipts are given for government's expenditure. Expenditure can be of two types, non-plan and planned expenditure. Non-planned expenditure is again divided into revenue and capital. Revenue expense and capital expenditures. Whereas a plan is divided into revenue expense and capital expense. Revenue expenditure. Total receipt equal to total revenue received plus capital receipt plus drawdown of cash balance. CAD is current account deficit. Is a value of goods and service imported greater than value of goods and service exported. It creates current account deficit or CAD. This crude oil import has the main role in CAD. FRBM, Financial Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003. It actually, this revenue deficit has to be eliminated as per FRBM Act. It actually, FRBM Act don't allow to government to borrow from Reserve Bank of India, and it has to decrease its revenue deficit. Revenue expenditure, interest payments and payment premium, expenditure for defense, subsidies given to people and all, grants to state and UT governments, pensions, that is pension given to pension, these all are expenditure of our government. Police force, assistance to states from National Calamity Contingency Fund. So police is a government expenditure, central government expenditure. Assistance to state from National Calamity Contingency Fund is also another expenditure, revenue expenditure. Economic service, other general service, social service, education, health, broadcasting. For example, up to 14, these education of children are free, but government has to spend for that. So it's an example of social service. Postal deficit, expenditure union territories are to be without legislature are to be met by central government. Amount met from National Calamity Contingency Fund and grant to foreign governments. Next is capital expenditure. The main one, defense, comes both in revenue and capital expenditure. Other non-cap planned capital outlay and loans to public enterprise comes in capital expenditure. So defense and public enterprise loans comes in capital expenditure mainly. Physical deficit equal to excess of expenditure over revenue receipts and capital receipts excluding borrowing. So whatever amount is available as revenue receipt and capital receipt, most of the amount is spent as expenditure, and if expenditure is more than these receipts, it becomes physical deficit. Actually, we have to decrease our physical deficit. Loans to state and UT governments, loans to foreign governments and others also comes in capital expenditure. Non-planned expenditure, revenue non-planned plus capital non-planned expenditure. Capital deficit equal to capital expenditure minus capital receipt. Capital receipt equal to debt receipts plus non-debt receipts. Total receipt equal to revenue receipt plus capital receipt. Total receipt is revenue receipt plus capital receipt. Revenue. Plan expenditure consists revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Revenue expenditure consists of central plan, central assistance for state and UT. Capital consists of central plan and central assistance for state and UT. Both consist of the same. Plan expenditure is revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure. Total expenditure is total non-plan expenditure plus total plan expenditure. Deficit concepts. Revenue deficit is excess of revenue expenditure over revenue receipts. That is, expenditure is greater, it becomes revenue deficit. Gross fiscal deficit is excess of total expenditure including loans and other recoveries over revenue receipts and non-debt receipts. So if expenditure is greater than receipt, it becomes deficit. Net fiscal deficit is the difference between gross fiscal deficit and net lending. Gross primary deficit is the difference between gross fiscal deficit and interest payments. Net primary deficit denotes net fiscal deficit minus net interest payments. So friends, that is all for this chapter. Please make notes of these equations. It will help while doing problems. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.